When you try to stream HBO Max, now called Max, on Discord, you often get a black screen. This is due to digital rights management, or DRM. Max uses DRM to protect its content from piracy. Discord's screen sharing feature can't bypass this protection, causing the video to appear black. This issue persists as of December 2025, and direct screen sharing won't work. The most reliable solution to the black screen issue is using OBS Studio, which stands for Open Broadcaster Software. OBS can capture your screen content and create a virtual camera that Discord recognizes and shares. This method bypasses the direct DRM block by capturing the stream before it gets encrypted. While not perfect, this workaround has a success rate of around 80% for most users. First, download OBS Studio version 30 or higher from obisproject.com. Open OBS Studio and create a new scene by clicking the plus button and naming it Main Scene. In the Sources panel, click the plus button and add a window capture source, selecting the browser window where Max is playing. For optimal performance, enable hardware acceleration in your browser settings under System or Performance. To create a virtual camera in OBS Studio, start the virtual camera feature within the software. This generates a video output that Discord can detect and use for screen sharing. If the virtual camera option doesn't appear in OBS, you may need to install the OBS Virtual Camera plugin. This is available for download from the official OBS website if it's not already included in your installation. For optimal performance, make sure your graphics drivers are current. Update NVIDIA drivers using GeForce Experience or AMD drivers through their Radeon software to avoid compatibility issues with the virtual camera. With the virtual camera active in OBS, you'll be ready to configure Discord to use it for sharing your screen without the black screen issue. First, open Discord and navigate to User Settings, then select Voice and Video from the menu. In the Voice and Video settings, locate the Camera section and select OBS Virtual Camera as your video source. This connects Discord to the virtual camera created in OBS. Now, return to your Discord server and start a screen share as usual. Instead of sharing your screen directly, you're now sharing the processed output from OBS, which bypasses the black screen issue. If you're still seeing a black screen after setup, here are the most common troubleshooting steps to try. First, double-check that the OBS virtual camera is running. Make sure you've started the virtual camera in OBS and selected it as your camera source in Discord. Second, ensure your browser is actually playing the Max content within the OBS window capture source. Verify the capture window is selected and the browser window is visible on screen. Third, try restarting both OBS and Discord completely. Sometimes a fresh start resolves temporary software glitches or connection issues. Finally, check your internet connection speed. You need at least 10 Mbps download speed for smooth streaming. Run a speed test to verify your connection meets this requirement. Before concluding, it's important to consider the legal and ethical implications of bypassing DRM protections for streaming services. Max's terms of service explicitly prohibit unauthorized sharing of their content, which includes screen sharing on platforms like Discord. While workarounds like OBS Studio can enable sharing, they may violate these terms and risk account suspension or bans from the platform. There are no official solutions from Discord or Max to bypass these restrictions, as they prioritize protecting content from piracy and unauthorized distribution. Additionally, using third-party tools to circumvent DRM may expose your device to malware or security risks from unverified software. Ultimately, use this method responsibly and consider supporting official streaming options to respect content creators and platforms.